In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to create captions for your YouTube videos, a handy skill that can enhance accessibility and engagement. First off, you'll need to get hold of your video file or just the audio if you prefer. If it's already on YouTube, you have a couple of options. You could download the video in an MP4 format or extract just the audio in MP3 format. Now here's an important tip. Otter AI cannot transcribe by simply pasting a YouTube URL. So it's necessary to have the file on your device. If, for whatever reason, you're unable to download the video, you could also play it back and have Otter record the audio input directly from your computer. This approach is a bit less clean, but it's a workable alternative. Once you've got your video or audio file ready, go ahead and import it into Otter AI. Whether you're on your computer using the web app or on your mobile device, you'll be looking for the Import Audio/Video button. From there, you can either drag and drop your file into Otter or browse your files to select the one you downloaded, whether it's MP4, MP3, or another supported format. As soon as you upload the file, Otter will get to work transcribing it for you. After Otter has completed the transcription, you'll notice that the transcript will appear with timestamps, speaker tags, and everything else neatly arranged. This is where you can take the time to manually edit the text. Often you might need to clean up errors, adjust punctuation, or fine-tune paragraph breaks to ensure everything reads smoothly and accurately. Next comes the export as an SRT file, which stands for subrip subtitle file. In Otter, navigate to the conversation or the transcript that you're working on, click on the three dots and choose the export or export text option. From there, you'll want to select the SRT format. Remember, you have the option to include speaker names and line breaks. If that's useful for your captions, go ahead and download the .srt file once it's ready. However, keep in mind that exporting as SRT is a feature available only on Otter's paid plans, so you might want to consider this if you're not on a subscription yet. Finally, you're ready to upload this SRT file to YouTube to serve as captions for your video. Head into YouTube Studio and go to the subtitles or captions section for your particular video. There you'll click on Add, then upload a file, and opt for the with timing SRT or a similar option. Choose the .srt file you've just gotten from Otter and upload it. YouTube AI provides the flexibility to further edit the caption text and timing after you've uploaded it too, which is a great feature if you want to tweak it further. Simply confirm and publish the captions and you're all set. By following these steps, you'll have successfully used Otter AI to generate and upload accurate captions for your YouTube content.